Welcome, amazing ladies and gorgeous women, to my new video. Today we are diving into the world of short hairstyles. If you have been searching for fantastic ideas for a pixie cut or the perfect way to style your short hair, you are in the right place. Let me guide you through the process, helping you achieving a mesmerizing and attention-grabbing look. We all know how important our hair is when it comes to defining our style and boosting our confidence. That's why I have put together a collection of enchanting styling tips and ideas that will captivate you completely. With these new techniques, you'll witness the magical transformation of your hair, giving you a sense of beauty and grace that's beyond doubt. Imagine this, ladies, the magical white and black colors. These shades have an irresistible attraction, elevating your hair to levels of elegance that are unparalleled. From subtle highlights that exude sophistication to bold undertones that command attention, we will explore how these colors can give your short locks depth and dimension. Prepare to be amazed and spellbound as you witness the breathtaking transformation. Now let's get to the heart of the matter. I have carefully chosen a lovely array of short hair styling ideas exclusively for you. These short hairstyles are not just trendy, they also make a powerful impact. They're designed to cater to your hair's deepest desires. Whether you're inclined towards a chick bob, a pixie cut, or any other fabulous short haircut, get ready for an unparalleled journey through the kingdoms of style and self-expression. Let's take a moment to appreciate the remarkable charm of gray, white, black, and brown colors. Can you imagine the absolute luxury that these shades will bring to your hair? The blend of black and gray exudes timeless appeal, intertwining sophistication and charm. Prepare to be dunked in the best of the best hairstyling ideas. Looking creative for your exclusive satisfaction. You want to apologize for any background noise and the occasional language barrier. Our main goal is to provide you with an entertaining and visually appealing fashion video. Your support and feedback are greatly appreciated. As we approach the conclusion of this captivating video, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for watching and being a part of this amazing and enchanting experience. Always remember you're beautiful, and with the perfect hairstyle, you possess the power to conquer the world. So go ahead, embrace those stunning short hairstyles with confidence and radiate your inner beauty. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy watching the video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more amazing content. That awaits for you. Until next time, take care, stay stylish, and keep shining brightly. Also keep watching my videos. See you in the next video.